One thing you need to know about fancy napkins is that they're not that hard to fold. First up, we are going to fold this piece of cloth into a beautiful rose. A rose really works for any occasion, which is the beauty of it, and you can accomplish it in a few folds. Start by making a triangle. Now, from the base of the napkin, you're just going to start making linear folds, and we stop so that there's a little room left over there. Now twist it, just so it's easier to start rolling the fabric. Trust me, the final product is going to blow your mind. I once was an amateur napkin folder, but now folding this rose makes me feel kind of like I've achieved expert status. These little pieces of cloth are going to be the petals. Do you see this taking shape? I mean, it's like there is so much joy in that little napkin. I feel so accomplished, and I know that my tablescape is going to be special. At the Spruce, we really believe that small changes make a big impact. This next fold will delight your guests, and it's really a simple thing to learn. We're about to make an elf boot. Start by folding your napkin in half, then fold it in quarters. Now find the center of your napkin and fold it into two triangular shapes. We are not making a paper airplane in spite of what it might look. Now fold into triangular quarters here. Fold the right side over the left side. Twist your napkin around. Bring the corner up. Now two little tucks. And the final touch is to spread out the top of your elf booty. This holiday fold looks more complicated than it is. Don't be intimidated because it is worth learning. For starters, we're going to fold our napkin into quarters. Now you're going to bring the open end up, and you're gonna follow suit with the next few pieces of fabric. Now we're gonna flip the whole thing over and fold the sides in. Flip it over again. And each little bit of fabric gets folded over and tucked into the piece above it, like so. And then what you have is a Christmas tree. This Christmas tree fold will definitely make your tablescape memorable. For more great tips on how to entertain like a pro without actually being one, head to thespruce.com.